Prince counterpart tonight also had to dig deep and come up big, and he plans to do the same one more time. Give it up for Caano.
Z4 Music.
Dada Caano, Dada Caano, all I wanna do. Yannick, you know, say more out on the stage for that song, you do. Jano. Listen. All I wanna, me see you curve them from afar, it could trick me. Say you want to love of me, I say if come quickly. Believe or not, me put it big and I no replace. It jump out and I fix it, alright, frisky. She say she love me for me, make she happy kiss me. Tell me say me sweet just like a Ovaltine biscuit. Me love Alaska, baby girl, just make we mix it. Mix. All I wanna, left your number, then you tell me if you ring it and me punch in every digit like a ratchet. Me they flick it skin smooth, and you know no scabby way fi pick it. If them bored them, I just tell him come full of bucket. I mean know him gone some kind of way, kind of sick your stomach, bring your body fi me touch it. Think I must suck it, run the boy because him lifestyle is crayfish and need that our the toughest. All I wanna do, be close to you, you know fi true. Close to you, you know it's true. And me no care if I me she no lie. Dada Caano ride, I wanna be. Away I go, come back to me. Come to Dada Caano. All I wanna. She say she love me cause she say me a bachelor. Flicker up like a spatula, bun her like a acida. Catch me a fire so you call me the machisa. Watch me fit in your passage, I feed your pan bread and salsisa. And if you have it and me say the Dada siva. Me a go cry a river when me put it in your liver. Ask Dada Caano what she do with all it. How is she? Dada, all I wanna.
Oh boy, judges, do you foresee another trip to the face-off after that performance? Scatter.
Well, to be quite honest, we never really hear the lyrics them. But I'm still a judge it based on the crowd, the audience attitude, and the reception with them gear. It look like they are going on with that thing, and based on what I see Anika going on with too, look like you do a thing. So, me all I wanna do. It sound good. It was on key, on point. Good job.
All right, Professor Nuts.
It is so, you know, the ears never did that. Ear good way I say, but because it was in this low pitch, you know, and I was trying to hear every word they say, but as Keta said, appearing to the crowd is a different thing round there. So I assume you did something great. Yes, and you sound good. I'm here where you say all I want to do. So you see right now, Magnum, what should I do? What should I do? All right, I want to see. Make we put him in the back of the net. Kick way. All right.